Hey, Knowledge Hub fam! Welcome back to another episode where we dive deep into the secrets of a healthy lifestyle. Today's video is an exciting journey into unleashing the power of nuts for a delightful snacking experience. And stick around until the end because I've got a secret tip about nuts that you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Before we dive into the ultimate guide, let's get to know our star players, almonds, walnuts, and cashews. These tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your health. First up, almonds. These little wonders are not just delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins, almonds make for the perfect snack any time of the day. Almonds cater to all age groups. For our younger viewers, almonds support brain development, while for adults, they aid in heart health and weight management. Seniors, don't miss out. Almonds are excellent for maintaining bone health and providing a quick energy boost. Now, let's talk about walnuts, the brain boosters. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts are fantastic for your cognitive health. Stick around as we share some tasty walnut recipes that will keep your brain sharp and satisfied. Walnuts aren't just for the brainiacs. They offer benefits for all ages. Kids, munch on walnuts for improved concentration. Adults can enjoy a mental boost for their workday, and seniors, these nuts contribute to maintaining cognitive function as you age. Last but not least, cashews. These creamy delights are not just a treat for your taste buds but also a source of essential minerals. Discover some mouth-watering cashew-based recipes that will add a burst of flavor to your snacking routine. Cashews bring a diverse range of benefits to the table for every age group. Kids, enjoy the creamy goodness for healthy growth. Adults, savor the heart-healthy fats. And seniors, relish in the bone-strengthening properties of cashews. Now that we've explored the individual benefits, let's craft the ultimate guide to healthy snacking. Mix and match almonds, walnuts, and cashews for a power-packed snack that fuels your body and satisfies those cravings. Before we wrap up, here are important tips and takeaways to make the most of your nutty snacking journey. Remember, moderation is key, and always opt for unsalted, raw, or lightly roasted nuts for maximum benefits. That wraps up our ultimate guide to healthy snacking with almonds, walnuts, and cashews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to Knowledge Hub for more content. And ring that notification bell so you never miss a healthy update. Stay nutty, stay healthy,